throughout history, human beings have been the only ones that could, exercise decision making in terms of how we live and how we engage with each other. And now we've come to an age where we've created machines that are also now given powers or have the powers to actually come up with ideas almost on their own, just inspired by ideas perhaps that we created long ago. And this has created a new frontier that's exciting but also dangerous. And if you listen to Omar's speech, of course he talks about the challenges that we face in terms of what disinformation and misinformation can create, including in areas such as gender, in areas such as climate change, which are critical. And so he's also outlined to you the plan that InfoCheck has in terms of moving forward in challenging some of these difficult issues that we have to deal with as humanity moving forward and as a country moving forward. And it reminds me of this Loki, if some of you watch the Marvel movies, who always goes around talking about he has a glorious purpose. And if you know Omar, of course, you know he's always inspired to do something, to contribute, to have a purpose, to advance our country, but also to advance, to make a positive contributions. And so I hope you will support this initiative by InfoCheck to continue to make good impact in this area of fact-checking. I would like to now invite Ms. Kodo El Jaba, who is the Permanent Secretary for the Ministry of Information and representing the Ministry of Information today. Ms. Jaba, you're welcome.